Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to add a wishlist feature in Wix Studio. A wishlist lets customers save their favorite products and come back to buy them later. To begin, go to your Wix dashboard and move your cursor to the upper left. Click the drop-down button and select All Websites. When you see the list of your websites, pick the one you want to edit. Click Edit Website and let the page load. The loading time depends on how many pages your website has. For example, our site has 7 pages, so it loads quickly. Once it finishes loading, we need to go to the page setup. Go to the page setup by clicking My Store. Wait for it to load, then either manage the store or go to the product page. Click the product page. We will manage the pages, so let's go to Edit Page of the products. When we are on the product page, we need to manage products. Click Manage Products at the top. Here, you will see your list of products. In the categories, click New Category. Name the new category Wishlist. Now you can add a header image. You can also add a header description and footer description, and pick the products you want to include in the wish list. You can select up to 1,000 products, but for this example, we will choose 4. When you are done, click Save, and the wish list will be created. When customers visit your website, they just need to click Wish List, and the wish list products will appear. With this feature, we can make the user experience better and encourage more people to come back and shop.